Okay, so today is about decluttering and cleaning my house. Long overdue after all the studio stuff and getting just all the marketing and everything dealt with. I'm going to show you a little bit of it. I'm a little afraid to show you my messy house. I wish I was all confident like, oh no, it doesn't bother me, but it does. I'll show you parts of it. So my studio is an absolute disaster right now. It became a storage room for like how many months now? Transporting equipment back and forth. I've got a pile. Here, I'll show you. This pile is literally all giveaway stuff that I had cleaned out. It's like old craft stuff of mine and sewing stuff and all kinds of just things like that that I will never use anymore because I just don't craft like I used to. Okay, so I'm about to show you my studio so that you have a before. It's a disaster. Remember, it's been the storage room and things have been coming and going from the studio, from photo shoots, in and out of here. So don't judge too hard. This is what it looks like right now. Yikes. My desk is all disorganized. Those speakers have been taken in and out of here many times. All the cords are jumbled. Photo shoot stuff. Over here, more photo shoot stuff. And music video equipment and all that. So, and obviously, like I said, we have this pile of giveaway stuff. I am going to clean this room and get organized and try to get rid of things I can. This guy. My boyfriend won him for me at the fair like a few years ago. But he's so huge. I mean, he really is a lot bigger probably than the video shows. He's so big and I don't know what to do with him. I finally asked my boyfriend if it would offend him if I got rid of him. Thankfully, he said no. So, boom, giveaway. This is for a ferret. My ferret doesn't play with it. And the kittens are too big for it now, so boom, giveaway. A random crate of spray paint that's been in my bedroom for like 2 years. Yeah, giveaway. Or throwaway. My boyfriend's in the background going, is giveaway and donate the same thing? And I said yes. And he said, you're confusing people. You need to pick one word. I've been saying giveaway the whole time. Okay, giveaway, donate, whatever. That cat's not to donate, but she should be because she's being cranky. This vintage green desk is one of my favorite things, favorite pieces of furniture that I own. And what I want to do with it, because it's hard to find a place for it, but I absolutely don't want to get rid of it because it does bring me joy to look at it. I want to turn it into a vanity because I don't have one, and I really don't have a good place in the house that I can put my makeup on with good lighting, and I do have a mirror that I can hang above it. So I'm going to show you, right now it is like junk desk, as they all turn out to be. You know, throwing mail in here, or when we clean the house, we just throw a bunch of stuff in there. So this is going to be the before, and right now I'm going to clean this out, and maybe I'll do a before and after. But yeah, this is what it looks like right now. How was this all in that desk? Oh my goodness. That bag is trash from the desk. Are you even kidding me? Well, got it done. Just a few more things. Okay, so it took me about a week because I was busy with some other things, but I think I'm finally done decluttering my house. Altogether, I've gotten rid of more than a small truckload full of stuff, and that's including some furniture. And let me tell you, it feels so good. That's including, I've decluttered in the kitchen, in the laundry room, in my studio, in the bedroom, and in the storage places in the living room. You know how when you're watching a show or something and you see somebody eat something on the show and then you crave it? I've been doing that, but with decluttering. So I go on YouTube and I've been watching people declutter their house, and it's like so satisfying to just watch it. And then when I'm done, I'm like, oh, okay, let's get back to it. And it just feels so good. I'm like, yep, get rid of this, get rid of this. And it makes me feel ready to let go of things. In sharing all of this, I hope I've inspired you and helped you feel motivated to start decluttering things you've been wanting to declutter for a while now. So as far as my studio goes, I showed the before of it, but I don't want to show the after until it's done, because I'm completely redoing my studio, decorations and all. I've gotten rid of a lot of stuff, so it's like I'm doing a complete makeover in there, so I want that to be a separate before and after video. So if I could encourage you in any way, I'd like to say that with decluttering, most times it has to do with working on our inner self. We tend to hang on to these different identities, and we think, oh, if I get rid of this, you know, I'll lose that part of me. Like for me, I used to have an upholstery business, and so I had tons of craft stuff and material, and I was hanging on to it, but I didn't want that life anymore. In actuality, I wanted to let go of it, but I was afraid to. I wanted to step into this new atmosphere for myself with my music, but I wasn't allowing myself to do that by hanging on to all of this crafting clutter that was cluttering up my studio. So I really had to work on myself inwardly and, you know, talk to myself in my head and say, listen, this stuff is just going to waste. It's sitting here. You're never going to use it again. Let someone else enjoy it. And so when I finally just let it go and I didn't give it another thought, it was just so peaceful for me to do that.